A former sheriff's deputy in Crossville, Tennessee says he was the victim of, let's just say, a very bizarre robbery. The man says his neighbor came over and asked if she could use his pool. He said yes, and then she asked if it was okay if she swam naked. He agreed and admitted to sitting by the pool and watching her swim for 20 minutes. Now, during that time, he says the woman's husband allegedly went inside his home and took his jewelry, medicine, and a gun.
It's aggravating. You want to help people out from time to time, regardless of their situation that they're in. And then when you turn around and open up your hospitality, and then you are taken for granted and actually burglarized, you want to close the door on other people from then on.
Investigators have identified the suspects, but they have not yet been found.
First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Okay, you know my mind is spinning right now. I'm glad we could present the bare facts and get to the naked truth. That's sorry, had to dive right into that one. Okay, looking at severe weather threat today. As we go through time, there's going to be a cold front that moves into the area a little bit later this afternoon. That's going to be the greater potential for seeing some strong to severe storms. Not everybody covered in this slight risk area. It does go down to Bowling Green, kind of parallel with, say, the Bluegrass, Western Kentucky Parkway, and then back to I-69, I-24, of course, the Natcher, the Pennyrile, and of course 65, all included. The only place not included in that risk area, Lake Cumberland region further south and east, but you still could get some stronger thunderstorms today. We're expecting a line of storms to come through with the cold front, and it's probably going to be about the drive home and through the evening. Potential for damaging winds, large hail, and of course heavy downpours and lightning. Right now on radar, things are quiet except for a few little isolated showers and sprinkles off to the northeast of us. We have a very muggy start to the day, 76 the current temperature. Checking other temperatures across the Kentucky Mesonet network, we're all in the mid-70s this morning. With that, though, a lot of humidity. The dew point temperatures are running pretty high this morning, also equaling the air temperature. When you have that, you have near 100% relative humidity, and it makes it feel like it's very muggy, and of course it is. Green River Lake today, you'll see a high temperature of 90 around Campbellsville, 89 for Greensburg, maybe 90 for Columbia, with that chance of showers and storms coming later today. The Powerball jackpot for tonight estimated to be at $80 million, while the Mega Millions estimated to be at $13 million. Air quality, nothing really standing out there. Pollen, ozone, and mold all in the low category. UV index still running high despite the amount of cloud cover that we'll see today. And here's a live view. Beautiful shot again this morning from Doppler cam as the sun right there breaking through some of that overcast. We'll see some morning sun and clouds, and then the showers and thunderstorms will come later today. 76 the current temperature now. South-southwest wind at 5, and look at that humidity at 100%, and the barometer is rising. A few of our weather cams courtesy of the AAA Systems Network. Munfordville 75 and partly cloudy, 72 at Jamestown Marina. At Lake Cumberland at this moment, Glasgow seeing a partly cloudy sky and 75 degrees there. Russellville is partly cloudy also at 75 degrees. 79 at the Bowling Green Airport. Lots of 70s, even a few 80s showing up even early this morning as that warm air has punched in here. 7 degrees warmer right now than it was in the 6 o'clock half hour just yesterday morning at this time. We're seeing just isolated showers now, but here comes the cluster of thunderstorms from St. Louis back to Springfield, Missouri. That will be the leading edge of the cold front that will punch in here later today. And with all the moisture hanging around, good potential here for some strong thunderstorms with torrential downpours, gusty winds, maybe some hail because we have colder air back behind this system as it moves through. But everything should rain out by early tomorrow morning. After that, greenage. We have lots of greenage. I'm not sure why that's there, but we'll move on. Okay, after that, the less humid air begins to move in. Tropical storm Chantal still out in the Atlantic again, forecast to stay a tropical storm. In fact, it is weakening. Hard to find the center of the storm as it continues to move toward Haiti and Cuba. Hot and humid today, chance of thunderstorms developing. 91 today, 73 tonight. Thunderstorms with heavy rain likely tomorrow. A cooler 85 and less humid by afternoon after some morning rain. After that, a gorgeous weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Lots of sunshine. And here's a bonus for mid-July. Lower humidity levels. 83 Friday, 86 Saturday, 89 Sunday. Maybe a pop-up shower Monday and Tuesday afternoon as the highs return to around 90 degrees.